for Raila Odinga?
I would think so, which is a very critical thing.
You see, it's not really a sense of closure.
It's politics.
It's politics.
And of course, Mheshimiwa is here to tell us how that is working. Dibal, let's assume for once that the servers are opened and it is found that there were massive irregularities. Then what? How do you process that information? There is no mechanism. Known in law, constitutionally, there is no mechanism. But the most important thing is this, that the elections are held and counted at the polling stations, not in the server. So, if, and I keep telling these friends of mine, Suba included, that if you have your Form 34A, B, and C, okay, C is another story. If you have your 34A and then B, which you actually got from the polling station, polling center, you should be telling us, you should be computing those things and telling us that actually this is what we got. Then after that you tell us, but then when it went into the server, this is what changed. Others to tell us to open that server does not help us at all. It is only going to be yet another of those empty activities. So, but for politics, it is important to give people hope. It's important to come and say that the whistleblower told us that this is what happened.
This is just to keep the embers burning.
Keep the embers running.
So
keep
that
constituents are at least engaged. You know, Trump has never admitted to date that he lost elections, and the denials around elections in the U.S. is still on.
Yeah.
But Joe Biden is about to end his term, and we are now talking about 2024. So the point I'm saying is that it is a narrative. It helps to fund the politics. It helps to keep the base going and get animated. Today, when you go back to the U.S., when you go to the U.S., you find that those guys, who support Trump, are still hard with him, and they're still saying yes, it was stolen from us. So that's a good thing, and even for Baba and his team, it's a good thing to fund the base by telling them ikitu tulinyang'anywa. But the reality is that, and I've said it, Baba lost the elections because he was supposed to have won.
Thank you.
That he didn't win, he lost.
He was supposed to have won.
Yeah.
I can see Churchill Suba now has put on his spectacles.
Yeah, and he's going to the Constitution, which he says he was part of it. And every time he
really
goes
coming
there,
from,
he wants to tell us that because he was there, we should just accept what he says.
When you see him taking the Constitution at this angle. Is this the angle theta?
He's about
This
to
is the
come
angle
up.
theta that you're learning from us.
He's about to come up and tell us, if you look at it.
A bombshell is coming. Churchill.
As Martin Oloo rightly put it,